Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the angular momentum of my Vortex Dome. Check this out. This is my Vortex Dome. It's also called a kalliroscope. This one was made by David Fowler, and I'll put his information in the description below. But what's neat about this is I like to use it for teaching angular momentum because you can really see the inertia of the rheoscopic fluid inside the kalliroscope when I give it a spin. Check this out. It's just amazing. Now watch what happens when I slow it down. Look at that amazing turbulent flow. This really reminds me of the surface of Jupiter. That turbulent gas flow that you see. Just mesmerizing. You can really see the rotational inertia in the middle there. It wants to go the other way. Look at that. Now if I stop it, you can really see the inertia of that rheoscopic fluid inside. Give it a spin the other way. And stop it again. Wow. Just beautiful. It's a great way to demonstrate the fluid dynamics of a hurricane too. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.